There is something nobody tells you about learning a new language. When you can only speak a little, you become smaller, not because you are less, but because you cannot say what is inside you. You feel something deep, something true, but the words are not there yet. So you stay quiet and the feeling stays inside, unseen, unheard. Today we change that. Today you learn how to say what you feel in English slowly, honestly. Hello and welcome back to Soft English. This is video 5 and this one is different from the others. In the first 4 videos, we learned practical things: how to introduce yourself, how to describe your day, how to shop. Today, we go a little deeper. Today, we talk about feelings, the inside world, the things we carry. I think this is the most human part of any language because facts tell people who you are, but feelings tell people how you are. And that is what connection is made of. Let us start with the two feelings everyone knows. I feel happy. Say it. I feel happy. Simple, but think about what it means to say that in a language that is not your own. It means you are brave enough to share something real. Now, I feel happy because I feel happy because today is Friday. I feel happy because my family is well. I feel happy because I am learning something new. Add your reason. I feel happy because now the other side. I feel tired. I feel tired. I am very tired today. I feel tired, but I'm still here. That last one, I feel tired, but I am still here. I want you to remember that one because sometimes that is enough. Showing up even when you are tired, that is strength. Say it, I feel tired, but I am still here. Now, two feelings that go a little deeper. I feel grateful. Grateful means you appreciate something. You are thankful. Your heart feels full. I feel grateful for my family. I feel grateful for this day. I feel grateful for small things: clean water, a warm meal, a quiet moment. Gratitude is powerful in any language, in any country. When you feel grateful and when you say it, something shifts inside you. Say it now. I feel grateful for. Now a harder feeling. I feel worried. Worried means something is making you nervous. Something feels uncertain. Your mind keeps thinking about it. I feel a little worried about my future. I feel worried about my family. I feel worried, but I am trying to stay calm. It is okay to say this in English, in any language. saying, I'm worried, that is not weakness, that is honesty. And honest people, they connect with other people in the deepest way. I feel a little worried, but I'm still moving forward. Say it even if it is true right now. Now, two feelings I want to give you today. The first one is hopeful. I feel hopeful. Hopeful means you believe something good is coming. Not yet, but coming. I feel hopeful about my English. I feel hopeful about tomorrow. I feel hopeful even when today was hard. Hope is a quiet thing. It does not shout, it just stays, even in difficult moments. And it says, keep going. Say it, I feel hopeful because. And the last feeling, my favorite one to teach, I feel proud. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of what I have done today. I feel proud that I'm still learning. You, right now, watching this video, trying to learn English, choosing to grow, you should feel proud. I mean that truly. Say it out loud. I feel proud of myself. Good, because it is true. Now, let us bring everything together. I want to say three sentences. Your three sentences, true ones. Start with today I feel, then I feel grateful for, and finally I feel proud because whatever you said, that was real. That was you in English, telling the truth about how you feel. That is not a small thing, that is a beautiful thing. Before you go, today's homework is different. I do not want you to write a sentence about shopping or routines. Today, I want you to write one true feeling in the comments. Just one. Today, I feel that is your homework. One honest sentence in English. And I promise I will read it and I will not judge it. I will only be glad you wrote it. Next week, we have something special, a full 1 hour slow English listening compilation, all 5 videos together, so you can listen while you rest or sleep or simply breathe. Thank you for trusting this space. Thank you for opening up even a little in a new language. That takes courage, and courage deserves to be seen. I will see you next week. Take care of yourself and go slowly always.